Hello everyone, this is Aiden from KA Reviews, and today we're going to be doing a teardown video of the Dell G7 7700. Now the first and most important thing that you need to do is to shut it down so that there is not energy surging through the motherboard, so in case you were to touch something, you nor the device would be hurt. Now the next thing that you're going to need to do is remove all 8 screws from the bottom cover, and one thing that I noticed while doing this is that the 2 top screws do not come all the way out, so just twist them until you can't anymore. Then what you're going to have to do is to slide a plastic pry tool between the body of the device and the bottom cover. Then gently pull off with a little bit of diagonal force, and then you can get the bottom cover off. And there's your 97 watt-hour battery, your 2 SSD slots, your 2 fans connected to both your CPU and your GPU, there's your killer Wi-Fi 6 card, and last but not least you have your 2 sticks of RAM that support up to 32 gigs, and there's